channel. Come on, let's explore. Hi everyone, my name is Trebuchet and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a really fun science experiment. Today we're going to be making a trebuchet. A trebuchet was a weapon used in the olden times for war, as you can see up here. Okay, for this really fun experiment, we're going to need some scissors or something to cut with, an elastic band, a pencil, 7 paddle pop stick, a 5 cm squared paper, some tape, a paper clip, battery, and some glue. I'm using a glue gun, and something that will, a hairband which is having a string and a little weight over here or an object. And finally we need a cardboard square that is 15 centimeters wide. So, step 1. Grab 3 of our 7 paddle pop sticks and make a triangle with them. Now, glue the triangle together. If you're using a glue gun like me, please use an adult's help. As you can see, your triangle should look like this. Just like this triangle, make another one. Okay, our next step is to, at the very center of this pencil, wrap around the paper and then put tape around it. Remember, once you put the tape around the pencil, the paper should still be able to move freely, okay? Step 3, bend your paper clip so it looks kind of like a hook. Now, tape it to the paddle pop stick over here. It should look like this. Now, you have to tie your battery with an elastic band at the bottom of your paddle pop stick. After tying the battery, it should look like this. Now, as you guys can see over here, I've made 4 holes measuring these triangles. So, as you probably guessed, our next step is to put the triangles in these holes. And now tie the pencil on either side with your elastic bands. After tying the pencil, it should look like this. Now, our last step is to tie this paddle pop stick onto the pencil with the elastic band. Now, everyone, our trebuchet is ready to try out. 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Wasn't that awesome? If you want to do more fun things like this with your friends and family, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye!